は次はねとよについて勉強します。You often heard ですね or ですよ or だよ、だね。Maybe if you're watching Japanese program or something, ブラブラブラね、ですね、ですよ、ますね。So this one is it's at the end of the sentence. So it's statement often end with a ne or yo, depending on the way of speaker's view of interaction with listener. So if I use it this ne, it's confirming. This yo is simply, if you compare to just this and this yo sounds more a little bit friendly. So then if the speaker is seeking the listener's confirmation or agreement to what has been said, then ne could be added. So I introduced this ne and yo together, but the slightly difference is ne is a confirmation. Let's look at some example sentence. テイラーさんは先生ですね。So this is a statement. Then this ne it's a little bit intonation go up when you pronounce like this, ne. So that will be right, isn't it? Okay. Repeat after me. テイラーさんは先生ですね。One more time. テイラーさんは先生ですね。So this is a useful when you want to double check or confirm. Adding ね。Next sentence. これは日本茶ですね。これは means this is これ。As you can indicate this is something close to you. 日本茶。日本 means Japan, but 茶 means tea. So 日本茶 means green tea, Japanese tea. Then this is a statement. Then added ね。So this is Japanese tea, isn't it? Let's practice. Repeat after me. これは日本茶ですね。はい。Good. One more time. これは日本茶ですね。Okay. Then next is よね。So よ as a statement is, as I mentioned, it's ですよ. It's a little bit more friendly tone. And also speaker wants to assure the listener of what was said. So テイラーさんは先生ですよ。It means, yeah, Mrs. Taylor is a teacher, in case you're wondering. So assure you. Okay, repeat after me. テイラーさんは先生ですよ。One more time. テイラーさんは先生ですよ。はい。So compared to ね and よ、ね is a little bit to go up. Next one. これは日本茶ですよ。Repeat after me. これは日本茶ですよ。That means, let me show you, this is a Japanese tea. I put this shape is type of a square bracket. これ、repeat after me. これは日本茶ですよ。はい。Good. はい。じゃあ、let's try exercise. Your major is Japanese language, isn't it? はい。では答えを確認しましょう。So start with major はね、日本語で先行と言いますね。major は日本語で先行。Then is はJapanese language is 日本語。Go is something ending blah blah blah. Go is a language. Then ですね。So this is a confirm. Repeat after me. 先行は日本語ですね。はい。Good. If you like, you can add your. Your is in Japanese is あなたの先行は。But in reality, in Japanese conversation, we don't use あなた as much as English. English often you is you. We tend to use the person's name. So for example, imagine I'm talking with Yurika-san. So I would say use the her name. ゆりかさんの先行は日本語ですね。or otherwise I will just drop 先行は日本語ですね。like this. Repeat after me. 先行は日本語ですね。はい。Next. 2番 question 2. I will not go hiking on Monday. Now here is a negative. Go is 行きます。But negative is how do you say? So please try translate. Start. はい。では答えを確認しましょう。So, on Monday is 月曜日。You can add に particle に to indicate time, or you can drop. It's optional. 月曜日、私はハイキングに行きませんよ。So, ハイキングはカタカナですね。written にカタカナ、ハイキング。で、行きます means go, but negative don't is ます change to ません。So, ませんよ。Okay, so 月曜日 means Monday, 私 means I, then indicate は hiking is originally from English, but Japanese pronunciation is hiking, hiking. Then 行きます change 行きません because will not go. So don't or will not is negative, same as ません. Okay, there's no will in Japanese, just ません. Okay. Then we added end of the sentence, yo. Okay. Let's practice. Repeat after me. 月曜日、私はハイキングに行きませんよ。One more time. 月曜日、私はハイキングに行きませんよ。はい。では、ねとよについて勉強しました。We studied ね and よ。